this video, I will show you how to create separate page for blog post. Let's get started. In order to do that, let's first create a page right here for post. Click on these pages, click on this add new page, and then you should be able to see the page editor. So you can choose which kind of page you want. For me, I'll just choose blog post right here. So I'll click on this one, and then as you can see, this is what it looks like. Now let's head over and publish this page right here. Now you can edit it out however you want, but for the sake of the tutorial, I will not edit it right now. Next thing you need to do is, as you can see, this is my actual shop. Now when I try to refresh it, the blog post is not actually appearing right here. Now if I want to actually make that happen, what I can do is I can head back to the WordPress dashboard. Here's blog post right here. So what I can do is I can scroll down and reach on the settings, click on this reading right here. And then once I click on the reading, I should be able to see this right here. So let's also display a static page, and let's click on the home page right here. And for this one, let's select blog post, and the post page, let's select blog post as well. Now click on the save changes right here. And then once we have saved that, it will actually head over and done this right here. Next thing we need to do is to scroll up or scroll down until you reach the appearance. Click on this menus right here. And then on this menu that you have, you can see in here the menu that you have as well. So what you can do is you can just look for the blog page on this particular thing. Now you can also click on this view all, and then click on this page right here in order to add that. Now let's click on this add the menu. And then as you can see, this has been added. So let's click on the save menu right here. And then as you can see, it's been saved. Now let's head right here to our actual website and let's try to refresh it. And as you can see, blog post has already been added right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this which are helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.